The first letter of the Arabic alphabet is
Alif.
Alif. The name of the letter is Alif. So now what we are studying is to connect the letters. Connecting letters of the Arabic alphabet, combining with the application of the short vowels and long vowels. Okay? So you make yourselves ready. First letter of the Arabic alphabet is
Alif.
Alif. This is Alif.
Alif.
So when we say Alif, according to the scholars of Arabic language, Alif is not a consonant letter. Alif is a long vowel letter. Okay? As shown to you before, and I will show you again. So now, when Alif will become consonant letter, if Alif will be accompanied with Hamza on the top, Hamza, so they call now this letter is Harf Hamz. Harf Hamz, letter Hamz. Hamza. Okay? So when you see that symbol on the top, that is Hamza. Now the Alif became consonant letter. So this Alif with Hamza on the top, when you put Fatha, the name of the letter is Hamza. When you put Fatha on the top, you read now as A. Fatha A. Then if you see this Alif that has Hamza down, automatically the short vowel will be in Kasra, and you pronounce the Hamza Kasra I as I. So you have A, I. And then if the Alif long vowel accompanied again with this symbol of Hamza on the top, okay, on the top with Dhamma U, so Hamza Dhamma U pronounced as U. So this is now the format. Question: how we connect Alif to the other letters? Okay? Now, this Alif letter, if you connect it to make it as an initial form, that means you need any letter to make the initial form and connect here, right? But in the case of Alif, there is no initial form. It cannot be connected after. Because if you connect, this is the Alif. If you connect him, the Alif will transform into letter Lam, letter L in Arabic. So, in this case, there is no connector after Alif. Alif will leave as individual, isolated form. Isolated form or independent form. Cannot be connected after. Alright? Now, next, after initial form, medial form of the Alif. In a word, any Arabic word, we want to find Alif in the middle. Okay? So, like for example, this is what we call in English?
Door.
Door. What is door in Arabic? Bab. There's prolongation. Okay? This is letter Ba with Fatha Ba. Then the Alif will be in the middle. Okay? Will be in the middle. But look at here. We will see here. If we say, for instance, we are in the middle, right? Medial form. This is letter Ba, just to emphasize, to highlight the Alif. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Then, we connect the Alif here. What is the function of the Alif? Long vowel. So you now prolong. Ba. Next letter is letter Ba. Bab. Bab. Can we connect Ba from Alif? No. Why? Because the alif will transform into L again, lam. So don't connect any letter after long vowel alif. Not allowed. So you need to write close to the alif the next letter of the word. Babun. Bab. So is there any medial form of the alif or no?
Sorry?
Is there any medial form of the alif or no?
Yes.
If you are going to analyze, you can see here,
No.
this letter, you found alif in the middle of the word, but the formation, the shape, cannot be considered as medial form. So what is the formation of alif here now? Considered as final form. Okay? So connector, any letter, any of the letter here,
Ba.
any of the letter, ba, ta, ya, any of the letter here, then you connect alif in the end. Okay? So this is the alif now. The alif only has initial form as an isolated form, no medial form, and has final form, and that is alif.